Hey guys, this is Rocco and Tucko 99. This is Tucko right here, and he sees this little string dangling here. Say hi, Tucko. Say hi, Tucko. Say hi. Where's Rocco? Where's Rocco? Here's Rocco. And here's my other cat, Rocco. Say hi, Rocco. Hey, Rocco. So this is just my first video, just introducing the cat. They're brothers. I got Tucko on July 16th, and that's my birthday. And we got Rocco at a mall, Petco at the mall in California. And now Rocco wants water from the sink.